friends, I am Sachin and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll do the ping value comparison between both phones Realme X1 Max versus iQOO 7 device by using the Jio SIM card. Yes friends, I'll be playing the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay using the Jio SIM card in both phones. So both phones I used only the Jio SIM card. Let's see what will be the ping value while playing the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay between both phones. First, let me show you exactly the RX Monitor application so you know exact what I'm getting. So I mean any kind of carrier aggregation I'm getting or not. So right now both phones I'm trying to use Jio SIM card, you can clearly see, and I'm getting the carrier aggregation absolutely, as you can see friends. So in both phones 4G plus I'm getting at this point of testing. So let's see, so which phone will be having what kind of ping value. That is what I'm going to exactly compare in this video. So in case if you have any other doubts regarding this thing, make sure to comment below friends. Definitely I'll be able to upload those videos as soon as possible for you all. So first let's start with the basic classic match. Let's see while doing the classic match how much ping value we can actually expect between the both phones in terms of the comparison. That is what I'm going to show you exactly. I'm going to start at same time both phones in terms of the gaming. Let's see so what will happen. So top one is a Realme X1 Max and here is a iQOO 7 device. So both are connected to the same kind of band, which is a 1800 band. So that's what I'm trying to show you right now in this video, exactly 1800 band only. As you can see friends, absolutely same kind of band I'm trying to get it. So in case if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below friends. That will be really helpful for me to solve your queries. So regarding this both phones, Realme X1 Max and the iQOO 7 device. So right now in the iQOO 7 device you will be able to see around, I think I'm getting about 60 milliseconds, 60, 68 and 69, around that. As you can see, it's staying exactly in the green only at this moment, but let's see after some time what will happen. I just want to see what is the highest. So what is the highest milliseconds I'll be expecting in this both phones. That is what I'm looking after in this both devices. So is the Realme X1 Max. Even the Realme X1 Max is really good. So right now it increased to 107 milliseconds, slightly in the orange color it went up to in terms of the milliseconds, little bit kind of orange. But let's see while gaming, will it be any kind of difference, will it make any kind of differences or not. That's what I'm going to exactly explore in this video. And in this way you'll be able to compare the both phones or milliseconds, how much lag I'm getting, so how much milliseconds. In the iQOO 7 device it's kind of close to I think 50 around. In the iQOO 7 device, that is what I'm getting in the iQOO 7 device at this moment, 52. Even I'll try to play the team deathmatch as well later, so just to show you what is the results with the team deathmatch, how much difference we can actually expect. So right now you can see 56 milliseconds I'm trying to get. So 64 milliseconds in the iQOO 7 device, not bad. 64 I'm getting here. And first I'll try to show you a couple of minutes in the iQOO 7 in terms of the gameplay and everything. Then I'll try to show you the Realme X1 Max as well. So right now 50, around 58, that is what I'm trying to get at this point in terms of the milliseconds. 72. So 77 milliseconds, not bad. So let's see friends what will happen after some time, how much can it actually go. That is what I'm going to exactly check. So let's see what will the milliseconds right now. I'm trying to exactly move around and I'm trying to see. So throughout this time I did not see any kind of orange in terms of the milliseconds. So now I'll try to play even the Realme X1 Max as well. So what is the Realme X1 Max it's doing. So I'm trying to compare both phones side by side and I'll try to show you. So I'll try to run even in the iQOO 7 as well. So sometimes if you're trying it same position, it might be different, but I'll try to test even by running in both phones, testing similarly. But right now in the Realme X1 Max you can see it went up to orange as well. It went up to I think close to 170 somewhere around that, Realme X1 Max. Let's see in the iQOO 7 device how much the iQOO 7 device can actually go. So chances are there that even the IQ7 might, I think it's going above 100 milliseconds right now in the IQ7. You can see at the same point it went up to 251 milliseconds in the IQ7. 251 friends, as you can see, absolutely 251 in the IQ7 device. You can clearly see that. So in the IQ7 device it went up to 251. In the Realme X1 Max it went up to, I think, close to maybe 170 kind of thing milliseconds. So but later on again it's kind of decreasing, so it's coming green and it's going orange. So now let's try with the team deathmatch. So let's see about the team deathmatch, what will happen within both phones in terms of the results. So that is what I'm going to test right now. So let me select the team deathmatch and let's see. So which phone will be having what kind of milliseconds during this time of demonstration. So I think overall in terms of the team deathmatch I should not have any kind of issues while gaming at all. So in terms of having the millisecond problems, it should not be that much kind of issue. So this is using the indoor Jio SIM card testing, friends. Indoor Jio SIM card testing only. So right till now I did not see any kind of orange or anything, any kind of red in the IQ7 device at this point. It's completely green only during this time of testing. As you can see, absolutely it's maintaining only green, no problem. So in case if you have any kind of issues regarding the ping value in the IQ7 device, let me know in the description below. Not only in the IQ7, maybe in the Realme X1 Max, let me know in the comment section below. That will be really helpful to see how many users are actually facing this kind of issues. So in the Realme X1 Max it's kind of close to 56 milliseconds I'm getting, 56, 48 milliseconds, not bad. So same kind of close to the milliseconds all I'm getting in this phone. So this is using the Jio SIM card, friends, testing which I'm trying to do, not with the Wi-Fi, only with the Jio SIM card. And this is going to be the really epic results we'll try to get. So 46 milliseconds. So this is a quick review, friends, on the ping value comparison between both phones. I think both phones are kind of slightly close to each other, nothing much difference, but sometimes the ping value suddenly increases. So in both phones it did happen, but yes, I did see in the IQ7 which went up to 250 as well. In the Realme X1 Max it went up to 170 milliseconds. In the Realme X1 Max 170, and the IQ7 it went up to 250 as well. So this is a quick review using the same SIM card Jio SIM using the ping value testing. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to make those videos as soon as possible for you all. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.